Great.
Well, in case you haven't heard, I know you've heard, Bitcoin is big, folks. The cryptocurrency is closing in on the $10,000 mark. It is up nearly 1,000% so far this year. And in fact, Bitcoin has doubled in value just since the start of October. It now has a market value of more than $300 billion. That is greater than Walmart. Tough to wrap your head around this, Dan. You're our cryptocurrency guru. What is behind this stratospheric rise?
Well, I think a lot has happened at once. Most people would point to the CME group announcing that it will offer Bitcoin futures by the end of the year. That'll be regulated and totally above board. I think that's very exciting to people. There's also a company called LedgerX that started launching Bitcoin short-term and long-term options. Offered at the beginning of this month an option on Bitcoin hitting 10,000 by the end of the year. That looks very likely to happen.
Yes.
So people are excited about that. More and more mainstream financial options and tools to buy and invest in cryptocurrencies for the regular person who didn't really understand this until very recently. But also, look, Japan recognizing Bitcoin as a legal and regulated currency a few months back. That was big. So all of this has offset bad news maybe 3 or 4 months ago out of China. And I think sort of there was kind of a craze over ICOs, initial coin offerings a while ago. That noise has kind of quieted down. Everyone said, oh, those are scams. No one is really focusing on those. Everyone's focusing on the positive. And it does raise the question of whether Bitcoin is an untied asset to the regular mainstream economy, or if it rises along with the stock market, which is also way up.
Well, we're seeing regular folks just trying to find out more about Bitcoin, find out how to buy it. And actually, there is something trending on Google. The phrase buy Bitcoin with credit card is rising on Google. I mean, should we be worried about this?
I don't think it's any more worrying than just the average person wanting to buy right now, whether it's with a credit card or using their bank account. But it does show, it shows something that the bears will latch onto and have latched onto, which is, oh, this is the real sign of the end of a bubble. This is when the bubble's about to burst. This is when the average person who knows nothing, who hasn't read up at all, just sees, whoa, this thing is flying high. I don't know anything about it, but I'd like to buy some. Can I use my credit card for that?
Right,
so
right.
It does fuel the haters, so to speak.
Now,